What makes Nova Medical Hair Transplant different from other clinics?
Well, I was happy to join with Nova Medical Hair Transplant and have my team at the Spiegel Center be part of this network because of several things that go in to the enhanced success you get with their protocols. And I think it can be summarized as selectivity, qualifications, experience, and collaboration. First of all, selectivity. The Nova Medical Hair Transplant doctors are doctors that are plastic surgeons, facial plastic surgeons, and experts in hair. We're not people who left a field such as urology, obstetrics, emergency medicine, and decide to become hair transplant doctors. This is our training, and this is something we've focused on for years. To elaborate further, experience. The experience of one doctor is great, but when you have several doctors, all of whom have many years of experience, training, and focus in hair transplant technology, you're going to get an even better outcome. The doctors that I work with through Nova Medical Hair Transplant collaborate with one another to make sure that we're always beyond the cutting edge. We're writing the protocols, we're advancing the field, and we're making sure that people are going to get the most natural outcomes. You can't beat that experience, and ultimately, it's your life, your body, your head of hair. Why wouldn't you want the best?